Hey everybody, this is Metro Sonic. Yeah, Metro Sonic. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna discuss about the Sonic Boom episode that features Shadow. Yeah, Shadow the Hedgehog. Oh yeah. And let's see. Also talk about a recent Family Guy episode of Peter's sister, Karen Griffin. Yep. And another thing I'll talk about the attack, the terrorist attack in Paris. Yep. Please enjoy.
In episode 52, it takes a village to defeat a hedgehog. This episode will feature Shadow the Hedgehog and the Sonic Boom cartoon series. Dr. Eggman team up with villains of evil characters from the village, the Legion of Villains, what he have called. But it's more like the Legion of Doom, just like Injustice Friends, yeah. And then a surprise guest have come, and that guest was Shadow the Hedgehog. This version of Shadow sound more sinister and dark, unlike his mainstream counterpart. Yeah, but Shadow looked the same, just like his mainstream counterpart, just a little different shoe designs and logo designs, yeah. So, Shadow, he gets very annoyed by Dr. Eggman, because Dr. Eggman, he was being a little dopey. Yeah, but it was pretty amazing in that episode, but Shadow was not impressed of Eggman's team to defeat Team Sonic, so Shadow, he steps in and almost beat Sonic blow by blow. But thanks to Dr. Eggman's stupidity to, take a picture of him and Shadow, Sonic had the chance to, like spin dash. Well, both hedgehogs were like spin dash and homing attack each other. And so Sonic was able to defeat Shadow, and Shadow said, "We shall meet again, Sonic." So he warped out. That was pretty awesome. Yeah. In Family Guy episode, Peter's sister will feature Peter's sister named Karen Griffin is a crazy wrestler, and learn that Karen is a bully to Peter the same way Peter treats Meg in some way. Yeah, it was intense. But Peter tried to fight his sister, but too scared to do so. And Meg felt bad for Peter, and so Meg suggested that Peter fight his sister in a wrestling match. So, Peter, he almost had the upper hand, but he almost got killed by his own flesh and blood sister. And, Meg, in disguise, has defeated her aunt to know how Peter felt, all his life. Because we all know that Peter hated Meg the same way that Karen hated Peter. Yeah, like saying, "Shut up, Meg." Yeah, so all in Family Guy history, we know that Peter get his hatred from. Yeah, but that's pretty much intense.
So, Paris been attacked by the terrorists led by ISIS terrorists. So many people been hurt. So many innocent lives. It's it's either dead or alive. But it's crazy. It's really crazy. That's totally messed up. But I wish to pass my condolence to the people in Paris. It feels like, I don't know, like 9/11 over there. But they somehow captured two, or I don't know what they say on the news, but I know they captured like maybe about several people who've been involved of the terrorist incident. So in custody, yeah. But it's just terrible. But so many innocent lives. More than 100 and something been hurt or dead. But just only have to hope and pray for all of the citizens in Paris. Yeah. That's all I can do and all we can do. Because we all want to be in peace. We want to live in peace. That's all. Crazy terrorist attacks. Man. Well, that's pretty much about it. So, tell me what you guys think. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys later. See ya. Whoa.